Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your volume on a Verizon Fios remote. So here's a guide for your program TV, STP, and audio settings. Fix 1. Check the batteries. Replace the remote's batteries with fresh ones. Make sure they are inserted in the correct direction. Test the volume plus and the volume minus buttons again. Fix 2. Make sure the remote is controlling the TV. Press the TV button if your remote has one, then try adjusting the volume. If it still doesn't work, the remote may need to be paired with your TV again. Fix 3. Reprogram the monitor. Turn on your TV, press and hold the OK and 0 buttons together until the LED starts blinking. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote with your TV. Test the volume buttons after pairing is complete. Fix 4. Restart the Fios box. Unplug the Fios setup box from power, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in and allow it to restart. Test the remote again. Fix 5. Check the TV audio settings. Make sure the TV isn't muted. Increase the volume using the buttons on the TV itself. If you are using a sound bar or AV receiver, verify it's powered on and selected as the audio output. Fix 6. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power buttons for 10 seconds, reinsert the batteries and pair the remote with your TV again. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.